Nissan is introducing updates for the 2026 Frontier that are sparking heated debate across the truck community. Some changes are drawing praise, but others are leaving enthusiasts frustrated and wondering why Nissan didn't go further. If you've been considering a Frontier purchase, these controversial updates could completely change your decision, so let's check them out. Number 5. Exterior updates. The 2026 Frontier is getting visual updates that are dividing opinions across truck forums. Nissan is introducing revised styling elements along with a new color option. But the most talked about addition, the Dark Armor package. The Dark Armor package includes blacked-out exterior trim, unique badging, and darker wheel finishes that give the truck a more aggressive stance. The package also features body color fender flares and revised front-end details. Nissan is adding a new exterior color as well, giving buyers one more option to personalize their truck. But here's the controversy. Many in the truck community are arguing that 2026 was the perfect moment for Nissan to introduce more substantial styling changes rather than just trim packages. The current generation Frontier launched for the 2022 model year, which means the truck is hitting its mid-cycle point. Instead, Nissan is keeping the overall design largely unchanged. Critics are pointing out that rivals like the Toyota Tacoma just received a complete redesign, while the Ford Ranger is sporting thoroughly modern styling. The Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon feature bold designs that make the Frontier's updates feel understated. Nissan is missing an opportunity to capitalize on the truck's momentum. The Frontier has been gaining market share thanks to competitive pricing and reliability, but visual appeal matters in the mid-size truck segment. So the exterior updates are modest, but if you think that's controversial, wait until you see what Nissan did with its partnership with legendary tuner Roush. Number 4. Pro 4 XR by Roush. Nissan is partnering with the legendary tuning company Roush to create the Frontier Pro 4 XR. This collaboration is bringing serious off-road hardware to the mid-size pickup, but you'll find a controversy that's frustrating performance enthusiasts. The Pro 4 XR is receiving substantial off-road upgrades. Roush is installing upgraded suspension components with specially tuned shocks that improve articulation over rough terrain. The truck is getting enhanced underbody protection with skid plates plus revised approach and departure angles. Roush is also fitting the Pro 4 XR with more aggressive all-terrain tires and unique exterior styling elements. So, what's the problem? The engine remains completely untouched. The Pro 4 XR is keeping the same 3.8-liter V6 with no power increases. This is where the controversy explodes. Roush has built its reputation on performance. The company is famous for its engine tuning work, particularly supercharger kits that extract massive power gains. When you see the Roush name, you expect that surge of acceleration when you stomp the throttle, the kind of power that makes passing on highways effortless. Many fans are questioning why Nissan would partner with a performance tuner and then limit the collaboration to suspension upgrades. The Frontier's V6 produces 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque, which is adequate but not class-leading. A Roush-tuned version could easily push 350 horsepower or more. The missed opportunity is especially frustrating when rivals are offering high-performance variants. The Ford Ranger Raptor delivers 405 horsepower. The Chevy Colorado ZR2 delivers 430 pound-feet of torque. Nissan and Roush created a truck that looks ready to dominate but left the engine stock. And speaking of playing it safe with the engine, that strategy extends to the entire Powertrain lineup, which brings us to perhaps the biggest controversy. Number 3. Powertrain. In an automotive landscape where nearly every manufacturer is rushing toward turbocharged engines and electrification, Nissan is making the controversial decision to keep the Frontier's naturally aspirated V6 completely unchanged for 2026. It's a strategic statement that's dividing opinion. The 3.8-liter V6 is carrying over with the same 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. On one hand, there's something to be said for the "if it ain't broke, don't fix it" philosophy. This V6 has proven smooth, reliable, and pleasant to drive, but here's where the controversy intensifies. Every major competitor is offering something more modern. The Ford Ranger runs a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder with comparable power and better fuel efficiency along with a superior turbo V6. The Chevy Colorado offers an excellent turbo 4. The Toyota Tacoma introduced a hybrid powertrain delivering more power while achieving significantly better fuel economy. Turbocharged engines aren't just about following trends. They deliver more low-end torque right where you need it most. When hooking up a trailer, that instant torque response means easier merging and more confidence climbing steep grades with heavy loads. They also offer better fuel efficiency, and when filling up multiple times per week, those extra miles per gallon add up to hundreds of dollars saved every year. What makes this even more controversial is that Nissan already has more advanced powertrain options, but they're just not bringing them to North America. The Chinese market Frontier is offered with a plug-in hybrid system. This technology exists within Nissan's portfolio, yet the company is choosing not not to deploy it in one of the world's most competitive truck markets. Some industry observers believe Nissan is being strategic. The V6's simplicity means lower maintenance costs and fewer failure points, but others argue that Nissan is falling behind and losing opportunities to attract younger buyers who expect modern technology. So the powertrain is staying old school, but Nissan is adding what they're calling functional enhancements, though whether these updates live up to that name is another controversy. Number 2. Functional enhancements. Nissan is making a big deal out of what it's calling functional enhancements for the 2026 Frontier, but the controversy here is about marketing versus reality. These updates include new drive modes, convenience features, and an all-weather package. Nissan's promotional materials present these as significant improvements, but many enthusiasts are calling out the gap between hype and substance. The new drive modes are expanding the Frontier's capability on paper. Nissan is adding selectable terrain settings that adjust throttle response and transmission shift points. The convenience features include small upgrades, USB ports in more locations, an improved wireless charging pad, and enhanced connectivity. The all-weather package bundles heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and cold climate amenities. Critics are pointing out that most of these features are standard or optional on competing trucks and have been for years. The Tacoma has offered similar terrain management systems for multiple generations. The Colorado and Ranger both include comprehensive all-weather packages. What Nissan is presenting as new and exciting is actually just catching up to where competitors already are. Some fans are frustrated because these functional enhancements feel like a distraction. Instead of adding another drive mode, why not improve the infotainment system, which lags behind competitors? Instead of marketing an all-weather package, why not address the Frontier's rear seat legroom, which is tighter than rivals? But if you think marketing minor features as major improvements is controversial, the biggest controversy is what Nissan is asking you to pay for these modest updates. Number 1. Pricing. The most controversial aspect of the 2026 Nissan Frontier isn't what's changing. It's how much more you're going to pay for those changes. The base S-King Cab 4x2 now starts at $32,150, while the volume-selling SV Crew Cab jumps $400 from $35,790 to $36,190 for the 4x2 and from $39,090 to $39,490 for the 4x4. The Frontier's traditional value proposition has been one of its strongest selling points. For years, Nissan positioned this truck as the smart choice for buyers who wanted capability without paying premium prices. The Frontier typically undercut the Tacoma, Colorado, and Ranger by a noticeable margin, and for many buyers, that price difference represents the to afford necessary accessories without stretching the monthly payment. As prices creep upward without major improvements, that value proposition starts eroding. The destination charge alone jumped $185, from $1,510 to $1,695, meaning buyers face a combined increase of $285 to $585 depending on trim. If a base Frontier is now priced closer to a base Tacoma, suddenly that comparison becomes about which truck offers more for the money, and the Tacoma's recent redesign gives it fresh appeal. The Frontier has been gaining momentum with conquest buyers attracted by competitive capability and lower pricing. If that price advantage diminishes, the Frontier needs something else to distinguish itself, and the 2026 updates aren't providing that. The 2026 Nissan Frontier is shaping up to be a study in contrasts, modest visual updates that don't go far enough, a Roush collaboration that stops short of real performance gains, an unchanged powertrain in an era of rapid innovation, functional enhancements that feel more like catch-up moves, and pricing that climbs despite the incremental improvements. For loyal Frontier fans who value reliability and simplicity, these conservative choices might make sense. But for buyers comparing the Frontier against freshly redesigned competitors, Nissan's cautious approach is raising questions about whether the 2026 model offers enough value. At the same time, the competition is moving forward, which is why you must check out our video about the 2026 GMC Canyon. If you're looking for a truck that combines style, luxury, and capabilities like nothing else in the segment, then this is the right choice for you. Moreover, this truck brings updates that make a clear difference.